Alright everyone, I want to do a quick little tutorial on logarithm rules and flips. This is Andrew Roosh from Roosh Tutoring. So to begin with logarithms and kind of what you might deal with in a calculus class, you have to memorize some of the logarithm rules. So for example, if you take the logarithm of two functions that are being multiplied by each other, you can actually break them out into ln of the, adding the components of them, right? So ln of a times b is equal to ln of a plus natural log of b. Similarly, if you're dividing a function by another function, you have the top part, the numerator, is in front. Then you subtract the denominator from that same thing. So ln of a minus ln of b is equivalent to ln of a divided by b. Now, you guys may remember this. If you take the natural log of something with an exponential variable on top, you can actually pull that variable in front. So ln of a to the t power is equal to t times ln of a. And finally, if there's ever, in the case of natural log, which is what we've been using here, natural log times the natural log of the natural exponent cancels out and returns you 1. So those are a few of the rules that we need to keep in mind when dealing with these kinds of problems. So here's a problem that many of you may find in your work. So they're asking us for what value of x satisfies the equation of 6 times e to the 4x equals 5 to the x. Well, obviously, if you remember algebra, there's a golden rule. What you must do onto one side of the equation, you must do the other. So here, we did a natural log of both sides, right? Now this looks a little hairy, but if we remember our rules, we can do some simplification on both sides. So first off, let's simplify the left side. Well here, if we remember the rule, that ln of ab equals ln of a plus ln of b, sorry I'm running out of space here, we can go ahead and we realize that this becomes ln of 6 minus ln of e to the 4x. Okay? Well, obviously, when you have ln to something to whatever power, you can bring that power down in front, right? So now we have ln of 6 minus 4x ln of e, right? And we remember the other rule, that ln of e is equal to 1, right? Well, we can cancel out this out, so we're left with ln of 6 minus 4x. Easy enough. Now remember, we have to do the right side now. So we have ln of 5x. And this one's a lot simpler to do. There's not as many components. Because we remember, again, if you're natural logging a number with an exponent that has a variable in it, you can pull the variable in front. So we have x ln of 5. Make sense? Very good. So now, what we're left with is we've done both sides, and we're left with this part here. Now, we should think of simple algebra, right? Because at this point, we're just dealing with algebra where we don't have any more exponents, we don't have anything else to deal with, so let's go ahead and subtract 4x from this side, from both sides, okay? And we're left with ln of 6 equals x ln of 5 minus 4x. Now, if you see there's two x's on each of these parts, we can factor them out, right? So we have x times ln of 5 minus 4 equals ln of 6. And then we can just divide, if we want to get x on its own, right? That's our goal of algebra, find x. So we're going to divide both sides by ln of 5 minus 4. And we're going to and we have x equals ln of 6 divided by ln of 5 minus 4. So really, all it comes down to is remembering the few logarithm rules that we brought up earlier and making sure that you can apply them when they're needed. So, this has been a presentation of Roosh Tutoring, If you're looking for more tutoring help or more videos like these, you can follow me on Facebook or my YouTube channel. And if you want to get in touch with me for a tutoring session, please text me at 765-319-8657. Good luck and have a great day.